Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to link people to TikTok. So first things first, you have to launch your TikTok application and then you have to tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and make sure also that you're using the latest version of your TikTok application. Tap on profile right here and then click these lines at the top right corner. Once you tap this, then you have to click the balance option. Tap on balance option. It will take you directly to the TikTok studio. Here you can see monetization, you can see here your balance. And in order for you to connect your people to your TikTok, you need to simply add or purchase some coins right here. So for example, if you want to purchase coin, then you just have to simply click the coin section. It will allow you to choose the coin or how much coin you want to purchase. So for example, this one right here, just tap on continue. And then here it will ask you for the payment method. So you have to select here other payment method. Then you will see the option PayPal right here. And all you need to do is to click at the PayPal option, enter your PayPal email address right here. It will ask or it will send a code, and all you need to do is to enter the code that they have sent to your email address or your phone number. Once you have added, and then you can now basically purchase a coin and pay via PayPal. Also, if you are monetized, you can also link your PayPal by linking first your debit card or your bank account and then link it to your PayPal. And basically, that's how easy it is to link people to TikTok. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.